What the heck? Why? That is not looking nicely. There you go. Good. Good, very good. Okay, so you see, this is very, very sharp and very big. It's a large size. There you go. Is for the dog, and I have to mix it also with sweet potato, which I already have here, and I already cooked some now in the pot. There we go. So it's very fast compared to what I have done last time, which I chop it one by one. I found this grinder, which is very, very helpful. So there you go. And it's just very good size because the dog, we have older dogs, so that's perfect size what I have there.